Hello everybody, so good to be back. I'm Kevin and I want to talk to you a little bit about something that's so important. You know, people talk about the self-help industry and it's a billion-dollar industry. People say, some people call it this whole theology, some people call it some psychology, some people call it something else, and other people, they're just confused, right? Do we need it? Is it just a waste of time? Is it a waste of money? Well, today I'm going to blow a myth. The myth about self-help. It's a secret that nobody really wants to talk about. What is self-help? Do you need it? Is it all worthwhile? Well, this is what I think. When I go into the library or the bookshop, for me, I only see two sections. The self-help and the no help at all. You see, we cannot be taught by anybody. It's impossible for somebody to program our own mind and our thoughts. Only you can control your own thinking. Only you are responsible for your own development. No matter what anybody else wants to do about changing your mind, only you can do that. Only you can help yourself. So it took me some years to figure this out, right? When I was young, my boss, my trainer, my teacher would always try to help me learn some things, but it seemed to me quite hard. I wasn't moving ahead until I realized it's not their job. It's my job. It can only be my job to learn to move ahead. Only I can do that. Only you can help you move forward. Nobody else can do that. Only you are holding yourself back. So next time you go into the bookshop or the library, unless it's in the self-help section, unless it's something that's going to help you get from where you are right now to where you want to be, it's no help. It's either self-help or no help. Find the very best people you can, learn from them, beat them. The very best way has never ever been found. The best way is probably the way you're going to do it. If you just take the time to understand that the best help that you can give yourself is the one that you go out and find, you could move ahead. You could unblock what is holding you back. You could lift yourself up. And you don't need to blame anybody else for holding you back. It's not their fault. Sure, some stuff happens to us all. Every one of us. Nobody gets through life without a scrape of the knee or a bang or something like that. It's just living, right? Self-help. The myth busted. It's either self-help or no help at all. All that other stuff, unless it's helping you, is just taking up mental space. So get rid of it. Don't look at it. Bye for now. I'll see you at the top. You know what to do. Catch you later.